Did you ever hear a door creak in the middle of the night? Bluey did, and her ears shot up fast. She whispered, "Bingo, wake up, something is moving." Bingo gasped, "What if it is a ghost?" Bluey grinned, "Only one way to find out. Do you dare come with me?" Bingo nodded, but her paws shook. They tiptoed down the hallway. Suddenly a shadow darted across the wall. Both sisters froze. Was it Dad? Was it a monster? Or something even weirder? Bluey pushed the door open. The kitchen lights flickered. A huge pile of cookies sat on the table. Bingo shouted, "Whoa, who made this tower?" Just then a voice boomed, "Surprise!" It was Dad with flour on his nose. But wait! Behind him the back door banged wide open. The wind howled and a glowing balloon floated inside. Bluey blinked. A flying balloon at midnight? That is crazy! Bingo chased it, but the balloon zipped higher. Dad laughed, "This is getting wild, girls." The balloon spun fast and popped. Confetti rained everywhere. But hidden in the confetti was a tiny shiny key. Bluey gasped, "A secret key? To what?" Mom walked in holding a dusty old box. She said, "I think this belongs to the key." Bingo trembled. "Open it, Bluey, hurry." Bluey turned the key. Click! The box glowed bright. Inside was a glowing toy crown. Bingo cheered, "I am the royal queen of the night." But the crown sparkled, and whoosh, a little hologram puppy popped out. The puppy barked, "Welcome, chosen family." Bluey yelled, "A talking hologram pup." No way! The pup spun around and said, "Complete 3 fun challenges, or the crown disappears forever." Bluey barked, "We accept." First challenge, dance faster than Bingo. Bluey spun. Bingo twirled. Mom clapped. Dad drummed on pots. Who would win? Suddenly the crown glowed brighter. The pup shouted, "Both win." Second challenge, tell the funniest joke. Dad shouted, "Why did the kangaroo cross the road?" To get to the hopping mall. Everyone burst out laughing. The pup rolled on the floor giggling. Final challenge, trust each other. Bluey looked at Bingo. They held paws tight. The crown pulsed with rainbow light. The hologram pup barked, "You passed. The crown belongs to you." Bluey placed it on Bingo's head. Everyone cheered loud. And the midnight mystery turned into a family adventure no one would forget. Want more magical twists with Bluey and Bingo? Smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss the next surprise.